everybody. You, Miss, have you tried the new program?
No.
This is the best program you will ever have in your life. It is called LLS, Lazy Large Society. Now you look perfect for the join. I say, what's your name? Can we sign you up for a premium packet? It's completely free, plus the shipping and handling, $2,000.
No.
Okay.
No. No.
Give me my freaking pencil.
Why?
Lazy Large Society table. As you join my quest, we have to get other Lazy Large. So let's go. This is a test. Grab this Lazy Large. You have to go around to people. You have to go around to people and make them join. You'll get $2,000.
Wait, so you just started doing this today?
Yes. Hey, how's it going? I haven't seen you in forever.
Yeah, hi.
Let's walk.
Okay.
So, why are you carrying a pencil? I haven't seen you hold one of those in like, how old? 15
Just take
years?
it. You now owe me $2,000.
The pencil. The pencil, true. I must now take the pencil and I must go to the top of Mount Hakalugi. What? Did somebody say Mount Hakalugi? Hakalugi. Oh,
It's Mount Hakalugi. Jeez.
Ready? Let's go to the crater of Mount Hakalugi. Let's go! Batman and Robin. Yeah! Batman. Bye. If you're not danger enough to go to Mount Hakalugi, that's fine. You can just see it over the edge. Wait! I'll come with you.
You get wetter that way.
Look, everyone. It's the crater of Mount Hakalugi. The lava is very hot. Let's feel it now. Ow! 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 Rub it off!
No.
Rub it off! Ow! Ow! Pencil, why did you have to come here? Stupid pencil. I had to come. What was that? I had to come. I had to help people. It's a Righto. It's Fox. Wait, who do you have to help by making us touch lava? Everyone. You're just douchebags.
What?
No, Pencil. I must leave and vanish and never return. Farewell. Bye. No, Pencil, true. I don't like that one. Let's see what's different in it. It's the pencil of the crater. No. What am I saying? That was last week's episode. The pencil of the door.
Dun dun dun!
I have to go return it.
As she returns the pencil,
I'm alive.
and she suddenly turns back into a salesman.
Why should I return this? I could make some major money off some stupid. Hey! Yeah!
No! Not again! I already got rid of that stupid freaking pencil!
If you buy this, I will pay you a cent. A penny.
No. Oh, could you turn around for just a second? Could you just maybe turn around, you know?
No.
Well, I'll give you money.
Okay.
Pow! Oh no, she's dead. How would we say that we run away? Okay?
Okay. Hey, look, a pencil.
Haha, sucker, I made her run away for nothing. Now she's trapped in the banishment of banishers.
Hey, Nick.
Hey, why are you trapped in the banishment of banishers?
What?
That's where you are. The banishment of banishers for all banishments. If you break the law, you come here. I'm here for... Pencil?
Goodbye.
I came here because I stole a pencil. It brings back so many memories. So many memories.